Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is a reading for singles only and this is a reading for November. So it is valid till end of November. Okay, so Cancerians, let's start your past energy. Let me check your recent past energy, or you can see your past energy. Cancerians, your past energy was... God, no. Am I looking tired or something? Devil, you could be dealing with a Capricorn in the past, and I feel like you were addicted to something or someone, or you were obsessed with something or someone. There was some kind of addiction involved, or there was a... It could also be possible for some of you there was a third party involvement here. But for most of you, I feel like you were addicted or you were very obsessed with somebody, okay, in the recent past. It is the energy. It's kind of negative energy. It's kind of there was a toxic relationship or there was a toxic person that you were dealing with in your life, and that was not making you happy at all, but you were not able to leave that thing, okay, because of the obsession or because of the possessiveness or because of the, you can say, addiction thing. That was... It could be anything. It could be something, might be you are alcoholic, might be you were alcoholic, or might be you were overdoing something or overworking, or you were totally obsessed with your work. It could be anything. It could be a person or it could be a thing. Let me clarify. The devil in your past energy. Ace of Pentacles, the World, Two of Pentacles. I think you were obsessed with somebody, okay? Cancerians, you were obsessed with somebody, or even the thought of somebody. It could be possible that you were just obsessed with the thought of that particular person, relationship, or something. You tried your best to restart this connection, but it ended again, and that left you very confused and dejected, you can say. You tried your best to offer something to this particular person, but things didn't work out between you guys, and this relationship ended or you guys separated, and that left you really confused and dejected, and you were not able to understand what is happening with you. You were not able to understand. You were constantly juggling between the past situation and the present situation. In the past, I'm talking of, okay. So you were not really able to come out of the situation, even though it was toxic, even though it was not good for you, it was not a healthy thing for you, but you were not able to come out of that. I can see that clearly. Okay, Cancerians, let's see what's your current energy. Your current energy right now is Ace of Wands. Very passionate energy. It could also mean that you are exploring your sexual side right now. You are not that much interested in marriage or a commitment kind of relationship. You are just trying to explore the sexual energies, explore the, fun energy and flirty energy, and not ready to commit. Or it could also mean that you are getting some kind of awakening, third eye chakra awakening. It is very rare. It is not for everyone, but for some of you, this is third eye awakening chakra, and your intuition power is increasing. And for others of you, you are just right now starting something that you are very passionate about. It could be a job, it could be a project, it could be anything. But I feel like this is a love reading. This is emotions, a reading regarding your emotions. So it is a start of something that is not, I do not see a commitment energy here, but I see, yeah, you are passionate about this thing, or you're just trying to explore the fun part of yours. See, I told you. Let me clarify. Ten of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups. Okay, so Cancerians, you were under so much pressure, you were feeling so much pressure, and you were feeling like you are going to break down, or there will be a nervous breakdown or something like that. So you start self-healing. You started self-healing, okay. You started to shift your focus on the money part, on the healing part, on your practicality, on your maturity. Whatever it takes to heal, you are just trying to do that. And that is self-love. You develop self-love, and you realize that self-love is the best kind of love in the universe, and then you are going to following that only. So you are trying to follow the self-love part right now in your life, and that's why I feel like you're very passionate. You're feeling very passionate about life now. Right now you are going to feel very very enthusiastic about life right now. You will not be in a hurry or not be in a rush to be in any kind of relationship in your life, that you have made your mind according to that, that I'm not going to rush into anything, I will just go with the flow and I will see where things are going. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, Cancerians, let's see what's your energy for new love, or if somebody new is coming to you in November. Let's see your energy regarding new love, or if somebody new is coming to you. Queen of Cups. Again, I feel like you will be busy controlling, or you will be busy maintaining your emotional balance in your life. Queen of Cups is self-love, self-healing, self-love. It's all about self. It's all about it. It's not about being selfish. It's being about self. It's being about self-love and healing, and a process where you are going to feel like emotionally stable. I don't see a new person coming towards you, and I don't see a past person also coming towards you. It is like you are going through some kind of overwhelming things in your life right now. So you are going to make yourself feel comfortable, make yourself feel like, yes, all that this is difficult, but right now I will love myself only, and I will do everything according to myself only. Okay? Let's clarify the Queen of Cups. Two of Swords and Knight of Pentacles and Four of Swords. You are on the crossroads. On the crossroads because of the love situation you experienced in the past. You feel like, I don't know where to go. So that's why you are taking baby steps. That's why you are taking hell lot of time to move forward, or even to move towards a relationship or love in your life right now. And you're taking a step back. You're just taking a step back from everything. You are just trying to meditate. You are just trying to calm down. You are just trying to relax, and you are just trying to heal and cover yourself with your love, with self-love, with the love of the universe, love of the God, and you are just trying to come out of this painful phase of your life. This is very painful that you are dealing with right now, that the thing that you're dealing with right now. I am seeing high Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio energy here. So might be you are dealing with any of these signs, or you are feeling like them. Yes, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio are really sensitive people to deal with. So yes, I understand that you are going through a phase where you are not able to decide what is wrong and what is right, and that's why you're choosing self-love over everything right now in your life. That's good. That's really nice. You're preparing yourself for the future love, but right now you are not ready for that. Not at all ready for that. I can see that. So let's see what is coming towards you by the end of November, Cancerians. Queen of Wands. I feel like flirty energy. Somebody is coming towards you, or you are going towards somebody just for sex, just for having fun. Non-committal energy, not at all commitment energy, not at all loving energy. It is just having fun and having some kind of passionate, exploring something new, or traveling with somebody and just having fun of every kind that could be possible. This is what is happening with you, but I don't see a commitment, or I don't see marriage and or any kind of relationship coming towards you till the end of October, November, to be very honest with you. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands, the Knight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune and the Tower. Somebody is coming to you in a very hurry energy, in a very rushing energy, and you're like, yeah, stop, and you're like, I'm going to take my own time. If you are coming to me for a relationship or commitment thing, please don't come towards me, because I have realized that this is not going to work out, and I have realized that I am not ready for that kind of thing right now. So I can see energy exchange between you and somebody else, and I can see a passionate and intimate time spending between both the parties. But might be you are going to just stopping yourself to rush into anything, and you will be like, I will just go with the flow, and even if it is going to break, I will be okay with that, because I am not investing my time and energy in this kind of relationship right now, or in any kind of relationship right now. So this is the thing happening with you till the end of November, Cancerians. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye.